hello, 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 hello. Nagalang shout out everyone. Um, happy blessed day everyone. This is Rose Donelo Vlog. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayo lagi tayong gawin. And first of all, shout out ko ating bunso sa Pilipinas, Charlie Juan. Day off ko ngayon. Ikot-ikot lang ako dito. Walk-in, parang exercise ko na rin. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Julie. Safe. Ito, kumusta na? Pasensya kang tahanak ko na nga makabidyo. Ito yung diba na ito. Kanayon nga tapi tao, makalang mag-iingat na lang. Pagtunong medyo kay kasi. Pero nasimpit lang din. Shout out to all of you guys, especially to those always supporting my simple videos and especially to my silent mind. Thank you, Sisi Koy Larian Direct now. Dude, Warren, thank you. Ed Cars Sky Official, adding Jim GM, adding Love Travel Music. Sisi Koy Nana, anyway, this is shout out. Pasensya na, hindi muna ako nakakadalaw kasi busy pa ang lola. Busy pa ang lola. Walk through nature, El Sayote, Kapsat Antonio, Being Simple Living, Dodge Walling, Lumiere Vlog Official, and of course, shout out to all of you guys. Thank you for this is Sarja guys. Dito na naman ako ng Sarja. Lilibot ko kayo. Thank you guys. And belated happy birthday nga pala sa ating bunso. Charging pala belated happy birthday. Medyo ano na dito, medyo malamig na konti. Kaya pwede na naman mag-walk-in tuwing umaga at saka sa gabi. Building namin doon sa tatawid ka pa. Pero malapit lang dito. Thank you guys. Thank you. I miss you all. Runaway, thank you Runaway. Sa mga friends mo na dumalaw sa ating videos. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang silent live ko kasi hindi ko alam, parang kinakain ni Lolo. Dati 7, ngayon naging 620 na naman. Ang laki ang nabawas guys, hindi ko alam si Lolo ba. By the way, thank you so much. Thank you to all of you guys. Big thanks for supporting me. And to all my Sisi Koy, shout out to all my Sisi Koy, to all my friends here. And my small YouTube channel. especially to those who always supporting me. Thank you so much. And before I will say, wait, hold on. Thank you guys. Before I will end my live video, please don't forget to subscribe me. Rose Bonella Vlog Media Marcas. Thank you guys. This is Sarja, United Arab Emirates. Thank you.